So let me put no here because it doesn't make sense. That's when you have a partner. Don't let's not complicate today's explanation. You see, if you sell at these prices, this is where's the profit going to be. It depends on you if you want to accept an offer for less. Okay, I make only this, I make all this. And that's it. No. Now, Moses, if I was you, find houses in a zip code that you want to work on. Canada is not a bad area, I tell you. It's not easy to find a wholesale after market. I have some I can send you. And what I will do, you need to do is work backwards.
Backwards.
Meaning, okay, I know this is the price I'm going to sell. At what price do you need to buy in order to make money? Because if I take this money from here, okay, and you keep everything like this, you want to make at least 10%. Okay, but that's the prices you want to work from here, saying, okay, if I'm going to sell at 550, 4 months is average is good, 550. That's, I would say that any house that we're going to work is going to be about 550. There's no house at 475 no more. Let's start small. 475,000. You want to sell at this price? Great. Now you need to figure out at what price you're going to buy. Rehab, you don't know, but put an average of a house. You don't want to invest more than 60K. 60,000. Yeah, 60,000 is already a big rehab. You're not going to, at the beginning, try not to buy so demolished, so it's easier. So now you need to figure out at what price you need to buy to make money. So still say yes here. Still don't know why it's giving me half here. And you start playing with the numbers. Oh, can I buy at 350? $35,000? Yes, you can buy. And I buy at 350. What is this number? And the answer is nope. This is very standard. 80%, this is a standard. The closing cost standard. All the numbers are right. You cannot change it. The only number you can change is the rehab and the buying price. So you're buying too expensive. You cannot buy this price. They're offering a house of 350, no good. You need to buy less. Let's say 310. Now I'm making $80,000. That's a lot of money. You can say no. I'm willing to. I can buy also 320.
Can we test the property I posted?
Where?
I posted it yesterday or maybe this morning.
Yes, you gave it to me. How did you give it to me? By WhatsApp or by email? Email, no?
No, I think WhatsApp.
WhatsApp? You're learning how to use WhatsApp. That's very impressive, Mr.
In the mastermind.
Much faster. Ay, ay, ay. In the mastermind.
3120 Northwest 4th.
I don't see it.
No, I just put the address there, but I can give you the details.
Give me the details. Others, let me tell you answer. What is it? 3 what? Give me an idea. Give me an idea.
Yeah, it's 311.
33311.
So the ask is 269.9 or 270.
270. I put it in the place.
And it's a 2-1, 980 square feet.
You don't know that V?
No, that's what, but a 2-1, 980 square feet. I'm trying to figure out the rehab. It needs a foot, like a, gut reno. So
The price in that's the C code
yeah,
at 2-1. I mean, I would say the highest price you can go is 375. In fact, today price, I would say 360 or 2-1.
okay.
So
Okay, so that's not a good purchase price then.
and
Because
the
you
rehab
probably
you
need
say
like
is heavy. At least what is the purchase the rehab?
you probably need like 70 rehab.
For you guys, what we need to do, I had it and I need to redo it again. I don't know if you have it from anywhere. We need to have a rehab sheet.
Yeah,
Okay, bathroom so much, floor so much, kitchen so much, and then you can divide by square feet and do square feet, and you can figure out the cost of a rehab.
yeah. So what price would this work? Would it work at?
Well, the projection is too small.
Yeah, I mean if we drop the price to like 250 or 240.
Usually you want to be over 120,000, so that's why 270, 360 is bad.
Yeah,
I would say 250. Still, you don't make not even 10%.
yeah.
We have 70,000. That's the only thing. The other things are normal expenses. And for
Do you
months,
think 70 is high for that rehab?
well, I mean, I don't know what type. I mean, I believe you said a big rehab. To get the top price in that area, you need a big rehab. You
Yeah.
get 370, but you need a big rehab.
So at what point does it say yes? Like is it 230?
We need to make 10% is 37. So you see, you will say yes at if we sell at 375 or we drop 245, 240.
240. Okay.
Now projection is bigger than this, and then we can say 365. Still yes.
What about 360? ARV 360.
You don't make the three. You don't
Okay,
make.
so the
You
purchase
make
needs to
the
go
same.
down to like maybe 235 or something.
Yeah. In that area, remember, yes, you need to buy low. If you need to have, you need to buy lower.
Yeah.
But that's I'm going to put it for the mastermind to find. There is many pages that tell you. I don't know. I think we have one also bigger pocket with Samar. We need to have a sheet. I have Excel sheet. I never use it because I have J. But you need to have sheet that you can put the cost of, hey, this windows, this. If not, you're not going to be able to evaluate a property, guys. Without knowing a very good close estimate of the rehab cost, how do you know if it's a good deal or not? So we need to be good at rehab budget. So I'm going to send you this calculator to both of you. Well, I'm going to put it in, and then I mean, I didn't did what we said we're going to do because not the whole group was together. We did it again on Monday. I don't know. Someone was saying that to meet on Saturday. I don't think this Saturday is a good day to meet, but let's talk and I think we still need to go over all the objections of finding capital or doing multifamily. We gotta stop with this calculator, but a bit my fault. And I mean, I know what you know. I know how you feel when you don't know something. You know, it's like, usually that calculator I know it so well that I can go so fast. You see, you cannot present a deal the way I was presenting you today. This calculator. If I make stops, if I don't know, if I'm not sure, if I what is this, you're out. Your investor is not going to think you know something. This is a good example of how not to do it. We need to be sharp in explaining this the prices. At least, I mean, sharp like you were right now. And we knew where to put the numbers. It could be a wrong deal. That's okay. It doesn't have to be always a good deal. But we need to know where the numbers go. So I'm sending you this. Keep studying this calculator. Keep running numbers. Find a good deal. Understand why the numbers have to go here and there. It is a very good calculator. It really complicates things. You can do partnership, or you can borrow money from people, which is very good to borrow the down payment. So it's a very good complete calculator to do houses. We have one deal. And I think we want to do that because we want to move fast. I mean, we wait to a multifamily, it might take longer to explain. Let's sell a house. Let's make 50,000 and then we split it with all of us, depending if all of us work. But let's attack both multifamily and rehab houses. In the same area, we're buying multifamily, so you know the rents, you know, so find an area. Moses, you need to find an area. We're working a lot with 3311 because I know there's a lot of houses coming to a package on January. So it's a very good option that we know that zip code. Besides for Lauderdale, it's a very good happening place. So we go bigger than only Miami. So we're studying that zip code the most. Study 33311. Check the prices. Check the price of 3-1 and 2-1. Important there is the sizes. That the houses are very small there, large lots. You need to start learning the area so we can sell. And the more we know, the faster we can make a decision to buy and sell. So guys, questions? If not, good night, and I will share the calculator as soon as I'm done here. Good night.
Good night, all.
Good night.
Have a good night.